To download Audacity software, first go to your browser. Type Audacity. Click on this link to download Audacity. Now here you can see for different operating system, different software of Audacity is available. So now let's click on Audacity for Windows. Now here let's click on Audacity 2.1.3 installer. For download it, let's left click on this. Now you can see on the bottom of your screen that download is started. Now download is complete. So now let's click on this. Select language English. Now it is set up. So let's click on next. Again few information. Click on next. Location where your Audacity software saved. So next. And you want desktop shortcut. So next. Now click on install. And installing is in process. Now again click on next and finish. Here is few information, so let's just click on OK. And this is how your Audacity window looks like.